I think a lot of our endocrinology conditions can really be helped without having to go to a referral hospital. Because a lot of that testing is done during blood work and additional testing that needs to be done, and then implementing that into what therapies that might be options. And I think even with some of those that maybe referral might be the future down the line, there's a lot of things that could be done in the interim to get closer to just needing that specialty diagnostic procedure, whether that's a CT or a biopsy or a scope. If you can get the pre-stuff done, that cuts down on the amount of trips back to the specialty hospital, can cut down some expenses of things quite a bit as well, and can help managing long-term. Sometimes that's ongoing case management, even with the previous workup at a specialty hospital, and now you're in the maintenance phase, which still needs some input from somebody who probably deals with those diseases more frequently and might have some input from a clinical standpoint that can really help.